Welcome to the channel Figure It Out, where we discuss about the mathematical problem related to banking examination, CGL and many other examination, as well as railway examination, and all other competitive examination. So let's start with a question today. The question is related to pie chart and percentage combined together. I am assuming that you all know about the pie chart. If you have the don't have the basic knowledge about the pie chart and percentage, then comment below, um, and I will try to discuss in another video about these two topics, that is pie chart, the basic of pie chart and the basics of percentage. Today I am assuming that you have already have knowledge about pie chart. So let's dive into the question. Here we are given with the two pie charts. The first pie charts showing that the percentage distribution of total number of students in science and commerce department of college in 5 years, that is 2013 to 2017. This is the first pie chart, um, ensuring the percentage distribution of number of students in science and commerce together, that is science plus commerce. This pie chart is given about the science and commerce students, and here we can see that two unknown percentage are given, which are in terms of x, and we know that this total percentage, adding this total percentage, we get 100, that is x percent, 12%, x minus 3%, 25% and 30%. If we add these percentages, we get 100. This is the basics of pie charts. So here we can find out the value of x plus x minus 3 plus this 3 makes 25, 30, 55 plus 12, that is 67. 67 is equal to 100. So 2x plus 64 is equal to 2x plus 64 is equal to 100. From here we can get x is equal to 36 by 2, that is 18. X is 18. So we have x equal to 18% and x minus 3 equal to 15%. So this completes the pie chart percentage. And the second pie chart, in the second pie chart we are given that the percentage distribution of total number of students in commerce department of college in 5 years. The first pie chart was about the percentage distribution of science and commerce, and this second pie chart is giving the percentage distribution of only commerce students. Only commerce. This is science and commerce, and this is commerce. Okay, here is every percentage is given already. So next jump to the note part. In note, we are given that number of students in 2016 in commerce department is 70 more than the number of students in 2017. The yellow part, actually the yellow part is representing the number of students in 2016, and the light blue part, possibly, yes, light blue part, that is this, is given the percentage distribution of commerce students in 2017. And the note is saying that the number of students in 2016 commerce department is 70 more than the number of students in 2017. That is this percentage difference is 10%. That is 20% minus 30%. 30% minus 20% is 10%, is equal to 70. So 100% is equal to 700. So we get, and I have already told that these total percentage, combining total percentage, it gives 100%. That is the total number of students in commerce in here. So total number of students in commerce department in all these years together makes 700 students. 700 students. Okay. So from here we can find that 30% of 700, that is 210 number of students in 2016, and so on. 20% of 700 is the number of students in 2015, and 12% of 700 number of students in 2014, and so on, so on and so forth. Let's it is another in note second part. It is given that in 2017 the number of students in commerce department is 40 more than the number of students in science department. So let's find out that in 2017 what is the number of students in commerce department. 2017, that is light blue, that is 20%. Okay, 20% students among 700 are in commerce department in 2017. That is 20% of 700. It gives 140. 140 students are 140 students are in commerce department in 2017. But the difference in 2017, number of students in commerce department is 40 more than the number of students in science department. So this number of students in commerce department in 2017 is 140. This is more than 40 of science department students in 2017. That is, what will be the number of students in science in 2017? It will be 100. So this is 40 more according to this note. So 40 more. Okay. So if we get science department in science department 2017, it is 100, and commerce department 2017 it is 140. So total number of combining science and commerce in 2017 it will be 140 plus 100, that is 240. That is 240. Combining this, and why I am adding this, because first pie chart, it is talking about this commerce and science part. That is science and commerce. This is the pie chart of science and commerce students. So in 2017, science plus commerce students, combining science and commerce students, it is 240. But here in light blue part, we are watching that 15% students are in science and commerce in 2017. So combining this two information, 15% is equal to 240. 15% is equal to 240. 1% is equal to 240 by 15. 100% is equal to 240. 100 by 15. 15 ones are 15. 9 6, that is 1600. So in science and commerce, in all the years together, 2013, 14, 15, 16, 17, it is 1600. So for this pie chart, 100% is equal to 100% is equal to 1600 for this pie chart, and for this pie chart 2, that is pie chart number 2, 700 is equal to 100%. Please remember this. This 100% represents 1600, that is science and commerce students. This 100% represents 700, that is only commerce students in those years. So we got all the information required. Let's jump into the first question. It is question number 1. Find the difference between the number of students in science department in 2014 and 15 together, and the number of students in commerce department in the same year. Okay, so first let's find out commerce department 2014 and 15, and secondly science department plus commerce department in 2014 and 15. So commerce department 2014 and 15. 2014 represents, and the orange color represents 2014, and so this is 2014, and this color represents 2015. So combining this is 12 plus 20 plus 12, that is 32%. 32% of 700. This is 12% and 10%, that is 32%. 32% of 700. This is 32% of 700. What is the answer? 7 2s are 14, 1 carry, 7 3s are 21, 22, that is 2 2 4. Commerce students, number of students in commerce 2014 and 15 is 224, and number of students in science and commerce in 2014 and 15, that is 30% and 18%. 38%, 48%, it is 48%. 2014 15, it will be 48%. You can clearly see 48%. So let's find out 48% of here. Total number of students is 1600. So this is 48% of 1600. It gives 48 16. 16 is a 128, carry 12, 16 4 is a 64 plus 12, that is 74, 76. So 768 students are in science and commerce. So only science in 2014 15 will be 768 minus 224. It gives 4 4 5. This is only commerce in 2014 15. This is only science in 2014 15. And the question is saying number of students in commerce department in the same year. Find the difference between the number of students in science department and the commerce department in the same year, that is 2014 and 15. That is, question is asking about these two numbers difference of these two numbers, which is Difference of these two numbers, which is 544 minus 224 is equal to 0 to say 320. Option 3 is the correct answer. Correct. Hope you have understood the first question. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. I will try to answer all the questions in another video. Okay, let's jump into second question. That is question number 2. Ratio of number of students in science and commerce department in 2016 is m:n. Okay, science and commerce department in 2016. So first find out science plus commerce 2016, then find out only commerce 2016. If we evaluate the difference between them, we will get only science. Okay, science plus commerce 2016. 2016 science plus commerce. This is the pie chart of science plus commerce. This is the first pie chart, which gives the percentage distribution of science and commerce, and 2016 means the yellow one, 25% of 1600, 25% of 1600. So this gives 25% of 1600, that is 400. And the commerce student 2016 means 30% of 700, 30% of 700. So it gives 30% of 700. So combining all these, it will be 210. So number of students in science only in 2016 is equal to 400 minus 210, it is equal to 190. And it is saying that the science and commerce student, the ratio of science and commerce students in 2016 is m:n. That is m is to n equal to 190 is to 210. 0 cancel, 19 is to 21. Then find the value of 3m plus 4n. That is 3 into 19 plus 4 into 21. It gives 76 plus 84. 160. Option 4 is the correct. Option 4 is correct here. Going to next question. Number of students in arts department in 2014 is 5x plus 20. Although here no arts department is given in the pie chart, but this question is introducing arts department. So number of students in arts department in 2014 is 5x plus 10, but we know the value of x now. So the value of x is 18%. So if we put this value of x in this expression, 5x plus 20 is equal to 5 into 18 plus 20. It is 90 plus 20, it is equal to 110. So number of students in arts department in 2014 is 110. This is arts 2014. number. Find the difference between the number of students in science and arts department in 2014. So how can we find science and arts? Firstly, we have to find the science department. So this is the expression where science and commerce is combined. 2014. Okay, so 2014 is represented by 2014 is represented by this orange. So 18%. 18%. We know that 18% of 1600. It was 1600. Okay, it is 1600. So 18% of 1600. What will be the 18% of 1600? 18% of 1600. That is 16 to 18. 16 is a 128. 8 carry 12. 16 1 is 16 plus 12, that is 288. So number of students in science plus commerce, in 2014 is equal to 288, and only commerce in 2014, this is represented by 12%. So 12% of 700, only commerce 2014, 12% of 700, that is 84. The difference is, these two difference is science in 2014 is equal to 288 minus 84 is equal to 402. So this is arts in 2014, this is science in 2014, this is arts in 2014, and this is science in 2014. And the question is asking about the difference between them. So difference is 204 minus 110, that is 4994. Option 2 is correct. Let's jump into the next question. Hope you understand the previous questions. If you have any doubt about this question, you can mail me or just in the comment section. I will get back to you. The ratio of number of male and female students in 2016 in science department is 3:2. So we already found in 2016 science department 2016 is 190. So it will come into play. So science department in 2016 is equal to 190. Okay, but the ratio of female and male is 3:2. Male and female, male is to female is equal to 3:2. Yeah, now if we know the ratio, the theory of the ratio from the basics, you know that the 3 plus 2, that is total number of these two, combining these two, it gives 5, and 5 equal to, since this is the total number of students, so 5 equal to 190. 1 equal to 5 3s are 8. So number of male is 3 into 38. Number of female is 2 into 38, that is 76. It will not required because the question is saying number of female students in 2016 science department is 4m. This is female students in 2016 female students is 76. So 4m equal to 76, m is equal to 19. So find the value of m. It is 19. Option 4 is the correct answer. If you have any doubt related to these questions, please pause it, try to understand how I have solved these questions. If you have any doubt, then please let me know in comment section. Thank you.